Hello, my name is Norman. In this video, I want to focus on strategies for short-term trades using the Ichimoku and Awesome Oscillator indicators. My account balance is 7,500, and I am focused on accurate and fast trades with minimal risk. Ichimoku will give me an overview of the market, and Awesome Oscillator will help me identify entry points with minimal risk. Today, I won't rush, but will follow the clear signals from these indicators. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and like the video. My name is Norman, and I'm ready to begin. First, let's set up the tools for work. If you need a promo code for a deposit bonus, I'll leave it in the description. I choose Classic Candles, time frame, 1 minute. Go to the Indicators tab and select Ichimoku and Awesome Oscillator. Let's set up the Ichimoku indicator. Set Tenkan Sen to 10. Kijun Sen to 20, Senkou Span B to 50. Go to Style. Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen, and Chikou Span, disable. Senkou Span A and Senkou Span B, set the width to 2. Save. Let's configure the Awesome Oscillator. Set, period. Long to 10, switch to Style. Down, and set the color to orange. Save. The indicators are ready to use. If you still have questions after watching the video, please send me a private message on Telegram, and I will be happy to help you. First situation, expiration time, 2 minutes. Open a sell trade for $2,000. Now, I will explain in detail how to apply the strategy and why I chose this particular moment to enter. Look, the first signal comes from the Awesome Oscillator. When the indicator columns show a downward movement, this is a direct reflection of the current trend direction on the chart. This signal indicates that the upward momentum has weakened and sellers now dominate the market, making it a good time to enter a downward trade. The second signal comes from the candlesticks and Ichimoku. The candlesticks have crossed the green Ichimoku line from top to bottom, confirming the downward direction. This crossover is a key confirmation that the upward movement has ended and a downward trend is forming on the chart. The signal from Ichimoku helps to more accurately determine the reversal points, and in this case, it reinforces the overall signal for a decline. An excellent start. The trade ends with a solid profit, earned $1,840. Moving on to the next opportunity. Friend, if you want to trade shoulder to shoulder, then do it. Read the description below the video, follow the link, and join our closed group. Send me a private message requesting, "I want to join the team." As soon as you message me, I will reply to you immediately and provide you with all the information you need. Miss this opportunity, friend. Join and start your journey to financial independence in a friendly team. Hurry up. There are only 7 places left today. I am waiting for you, friend. I see a clear signal. Expiration time, 2 minutes. Open to sell trade for $2,000. The chart shows a confident downward movement, and all indicators clearly support the entry, making this the perfect moment to trade. All signals are consistent, confirming that the market will continue to move in the same direction. However, it is important to remember that you should only act when all indicators confirm the same direction at the same time. When all analysis tools are synchronized, the probability of success increases significantly. If one of the indicators triggered earlier than the others, do not rush into action. This may be a false or premature signal that may not be confirmed by other indicators and lead to a wrong decision. Patience in such situations is the key to more accurate and informed steps in the market. The result is another $1,840 in profit. Let's keep going. Next situation, expiration time, 2 minutes. Open a buy trade for $2,000. All signals converge, and the movement on the chart confirms the entry point. The indicators are confidently pointing upwards, which gives complete confidence that the trend will continue to develop in this direction. However, it is worth paying attention to the clearly expressed sideways movement that has formed on the chart. The price is moving in a narrow range without a clear direction, which indicates an accumulation phase. Such consolidation often precedes a sharp impulse when the market accumulates energy before breaking out of the range. At such moments, there is often a hidden accumulation of volume and strength, which creates a potential basis for the next step. Given the current chart structure and overall market dynamics, it is highly likely that the breakout from this range will occur downward. This will signal the start of a new downward momentum when the accumulated tension on the chart will begin to be fully realized. This situation creates favorable conditions for opening a position in the direction of the breakout, and, as a result, for profiting from the downward movement. It is important to be prepared for a sharp movement when the market begins to move in a new direction after the consolidation phase is complete. And again in the black. The balance is replenished by another $1,840. Let's continue. An excellent moment to enter. Expiration time, 2 minutes. Open to sell trade for $2,000. The movement is clear, and all indicators fully support the chosen direction. Everything looks as reliable as possible, which gives complete confidence in the continuation of the trend and a successful entry into the market. All signals are synchronized, which significantly increases the likelihood of successful trading. This strategy demonstrates excellent results at any time of the day, regardless of whether you trade in the morning, afternoon, or evening. It is not tied to a specific trading session and works consistently throughout the day. The signals remain accurate and reliable regardless of the time, making it convenient for traders with any schedule. This is an excellent opportunity for those who cannot constantly monitor the market and depend on flexibility in terms of trading time. In terms of market conditions, the strategy has proven itself equally confident in both high volatility and calm periods. It responds competently to changes in dynamics and adapts to the current market structure. This adaptability makes it universal for different market situations. You can safely use it in various conditions, whether it's a strong impulse or a sideways trend, and be sure that even if the market background changes, it will continue to provide clear signals and good profit potential. The result is pleasing. I'm earning another $1,840. The balance is already $14,840. Let's sum up the results. The session was bright and productive. Increasing the balance from $7,500 to $14,840 is a decent result, confirming the effectiveness of the strategy. If you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, feel free to write to me on Telegram. I will be happy to help. Thank you very much for watching, liking, and subscribing to the channel. My name is Norman. See you soon and happy trading.